Okay, so question 1 of the 2018 examcraft mock. Question 1 was an income tax question. It tells you that Peter had an income of 55,000 per annum. His standard cutoff was 28,500. Standard rate was 20% and the higher rate was 42%. So just make sure you notice that it's 42%, not our normal 40. He had a tax credit of 2,500 and he also pays USC according to a table. Part A asked you to calculate the USC. So in terms of USC, you take down his gross income, which is our 55,000, and you take away the highest level or value for the USC. So we've got 55,000 take away 16,016. So that gave us 38,984. That 38,984 is above 16,016. So that is going to be charged at 7%. So you get your 7% by dividing your 7 by 100 to get 0.07, and then you multiply out and you get 2,728.88. You then want to calculate the USC below your 16,016. So to do that, you go 16,016, take away the next higher rate, which is 10,036, which gives you 5,980, and you're multiplying that by your 0.04 for your 4%. So you're getting 239.20. And then the final one is from 0 to 10,000 euros and 36 cents is at 2%. So you go 10,036 times 0.02, which gave you your 272. So the USC that Peter had to pay was those three figures added up to each other. So the below 10,000 amount, the bit between 10,000 and 16,000, and then the bit above 16,000. So you add those all up and you get 3,168.80. And that was part A. So for USC, just make sure you are not charging yourself way too much money. Okay, so excuse my mess here. I had a few bad calculations. Right, so we had to calculate Peter's tax for the year. So his tax, you got told he earned 55,000 for the year. Right, you told the standard cutoff was 28,500. So that meant the money he paid or earned above the standard cutoff was 26,500. The 26,500 is charged at a higher rate, so it's 0.42%, okay? That's why I had gone wrong and multiplied it by 0.4. So 0.42% for 42%, and you get 11,130. Below the standard cutoff was at 20%, so you're going to 28,500 times 0.2, which gives you 5,700. You then add the high rate of tax and the low rate of tax together to get the gross tax. So that gives you 168.30. You take away the tax credit because you're keeping the tax credit. So you're getting 14,330 as Peter's net tax, or his tax payable for the year. Final part of question 1 says that Peter pays a PRSI contribution also of 1,930 for the year. So calculate his net income after all the deductions have been made. So what you do is you have his 55,000, which is his income. You take away the tax, you take away the USC, and you take away the PRSI. And when you do that, you should get that Peter takes home 35,571 euros and 20 cents for the year. Okay, so that was question 1.